Hi, this is Kiara from Pencil, and welcome to today's tutorial on how to use leader mode and how to restrict participants from editing your whiteboard. So leader mode is a tool that can only be used by hosts to direct participants' attention. The screen that you are viewing will be the same screen that they are viewing. The restricted whiteboard is also a tool that only the host can use, and it restricts participants from drawing on the whiteboard. So to use leader mode, you will go to the top left-hand corner of your screen and click the crown icon. Now my participants are able to see everything that I'm seeing, so I can move around the board and they will be taken with me. I can also change boards and they will also move with me to the new board. If I want my participant to edit something specific on a board, I can zoom in and they're taken to the exact area on the board I want them to see. If I want to restrict participants from editing the board, I can click the lock icon at the top left-hand corner of my screen. And now no participants will be able to edit the board. If I click the lock icon again, participants will no longer be restricted from editing the board. You can also switch between views in leader mode, and your participants will be taken with you. So if I wanted to go to gallery view, my participant will also be taken to gallery view. I can screen share in leader mode and expand my view so that the view is also expanded for the participants. This helps me direct their attention to my screen. So now let's look at the participant's point of view of the host using leader mode and restricting the whiteboard. So here we're looking at Paulina's screen and I've just turned on leader mode. As you can see, when I move around the board, she's moving with me. When I switch boards, she will also be taken to the next board with me. And again, as I move, she's being taken with me. So everything I'm seeing, she is also seeing. Here I have just restricted the whiteboard, so now Paulina will not be able to draw on top of the whiteboard. Now that I've removed restrictions, Paulina is free to draw on top of the whiteboard and make any changes to the whiteboard she wants. So still in leader mode, I've switched us to gallery view. So as you can see, she was taken to gallery view with me, and she is able to see the screen share I've shared. As I expand the screen share screen, she's also getting the screen share screen expanded for her. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to click the help button at the top right corner of your screen.